Let's create a state of South Carolina virtual Mesonet using cloud, the Mesonet Management Platform from Weatherstem. My South Carolina Mesonet is going to have a single station in each of South Carolina's counties. I'll start with this Excel spreadsheet that has a list of each county. The required headings for the Excel document are name and handle. A handle is sort of like a unique identifier for a Mesonet station. I can identify the location of a station either by specifying its latitude and longitude or indicating a physical address. Any other field in my spreadsheet is arbitrary and will be added to my Mesonet as sortable metadata. In my spreadsheet, I've included population and the city where the station is located. I've saved this spreadsheet in a folder on my desktop called South Carolina. In that folder, I also have an icon as well as a tiny little configuration file that lets me specify the name of my Mesonet as well as some other basic information like should it be publicly accessible. I've also created a little icon to represent my stations. I'm going to right-click on this folder and choose Compress. It will create a zip file for me. Now, I'm going to log into Weatherstem Cloud at cloud.weatherstem.com. I'll choose the My Mesonets link. Then, I'll choose the up arrow, which indicates I want to upload a Mesonet. I'll navigate in the zip file I created earlier and upload it. Within seconds, I have my Mesonet. I'll click Go to Mesonet. In my Mesonet, there are an infinite number of things that I can do. As a small example, I'm going to chart temperature, wind speed, and sulfur dioxide concentration. I'll also view that alongside population, and I'll add proximity to closest lightning activity. Now, I'll map the values of current temperature. This is the vast frontier of cloud, Weatherstem's Mesonet Management Platform.